to. This is our Shocker Hitch Quick Air fifth to goose conversion. This here is going to eliminate that fifth wheel head and let you use just the regular gooseneck ball that's in the back of your pickup, which gains you space. The great thing also is our air ride technology that we've got built into this hitch. So now what this is gonna do is it's gonna take all that bucking and that jarring that's going between the tow vehicle and the trailer and absorbing it in this airbag. So it's helping with fatigue and stress. And in that process, it's creating a smooth ride for you and also what's in the camper. With our airbag technology and it being adjustable, you adjust the pressure whatever camper you have. If you got a big toy hauler, you might have to run more air. If you've got just a standard fifth wheel, you might have to run less air. Either way, you're gonna get the best ride possible no matter what you have. If you wanna check this hitch out or any of our other products, go to our website at shockerhitch.com or give us a call at 701-707-2666 and get yourself safer, smoother towing.